Hey everyone! Welcome back to Rajeshwari Deals. Today, I've got something exciting for all the home tailors out there. Introducing the Akiara Stitching Machine, a game changer for all your sewing projects. Stick around, and I'll show you why this is a must-have addition to your home. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you find this useful. Let's dive into the key features of the Akiara Stitching Machine. It offers 12 versatile stitch patterns, including zigzag, picot, and single needle stitching, perfect for both beginners and advanced home tailors. Plus, it has a reverse stitch function for those tricky finishing touches. Compact, powerful, and super easy to use. Let me show you how smooth this machine runs. First, let's set it up together, step by step. The setup process is incredibly user-friendly, even if you're a complete beginner. Start by powering on the machine and positioning your fabric under the presser foot. Now, let's choose the right stitch for your project. This machine offers 12 versatile stitch patterns, ranging from a basic straight stitch for everyday sewing to decorative options like the zigzag stitch, which is perfect for hemming edges or adding a stylish flair to your designs. If you're looking for precision, the picot stitch is ideal for creating finely detailed seams. Each stitch type is clearly labeled on the dial, which eliminates any guesswork. Simply turn the dial to the desired setting, and you're ready to go. This feature is particularly helpful for beginners because you don't need to memorize complex settings or refer to a manual every time. The dial clicks into place, ensuring that your stitch type remains consistent throughout your sewing session. Once you've chosen your stitch, adjust the thread tension to suit your fabric. This ensures even, durable, and professional stitches. Delicate fabrics like silk need lighter tension, while heavier materials like denim require more. The easily accessible tension dial lets you fine-tune settings for clean, consistent stitches without puckering or loose threads. Don't forget to check the presser foot pressure too. This machine provides smooth and steady control, keeping your fabric secure as you sew. The presser foot's even pressure prevents fabric from slipping, which is especially important when working on slippery materials or multiple layers. With everything set up and adjusted, you're ready to start stitching. This thoughtful design ensures that the Akiara Stitching Machine isn't just easy to use, it's reliable, precise, and adaptable to all kinds of projects, whether you're sewing clothes, repairing a hem, or working on a creative DIY craft. You'll feel like a pro from the very first stitch. Now, watch closely as I demonstrate on this fabric. Place the fabric under the presser foot and lower the needle. Just press the foot pedal, and off we go. Notice how smoothly the fabric glides under the needle without bunching or slipping. The motor operates quietly, yet powerfully, handling even multiple layers of fabric effortlessly. Whether you're working with delicate chiffon, sturdy denim, or stretchy knits, the Akiara Stitching Machine maintains consistent, high-quality stitches. Here's something else you'll love, the reverse stitch function. It's perfect for reinforcing seams, ensuring they won't unravel with wear. And don't forget the automatic thread rewind feature. It makes setup a breeze, winding your bobbin quickly and neatly so you can spend more time sewing and less time prepping. This machine doesn't just stitch, it transforms your sewing experience, making it easy and enjoyable for beginners while offering all the precision and features that experienced tailors crave. With this kind of performance, your sewing projects will look more polished and professional than ever. This machine is perfect for home tailoring, DIY projects, and quick fixes, bringing professional-level sewing capabilities right into the comfort of your home. Imagine the freedom of creating your own clothes, customizing them to fit perfectly, and expressing your unique style without the need to rely on store-bought options. Whether you want to sew trendy outfits, repair your favorite jeans, or design personalized gifts like pillow covers and tote bags, this machine makes every project achievable and enjoyable. For DIY enthusiasts, this is a game changer. You can easily tackle a wide range of creative projects, from crafting home decor items like curtains and cushion covers to making adorable outfits for kids or even pet accessories. The 12-stitch patterns open up endless possibilities, allowing you to experiment with different styles and techniques, adding decorative elements that make your creations stand out. In short, this stitching machine isn't just a tool, it's a partner in creativity, practicality, and cost saving. Investing in it means investing in quality, versatility, and the joy of bringing your ideas to life, all while keeping your wardrobe and home in top shape. Want to grab yours? The Aqara stitching machine is available now for just price 6,019. Find the buy link in the description below. Don't miss out. And remember to subscribe for more amazing deals and product reviews. See you in the next video.